What up, YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I am back with another video real quick. So basically, I am giving this update for you guys. So if you guys are still interested in an Xbox Series S, they still have it on sale at Best Buy for $249.99. You can still pick this up online, as you can see right here. So you can still get this up. You can, I believe you can pick it up in stores. As order now for pickup on Friday, January 20th, Manchester. That's the location where I can get it at. That's about 18 miles away. There's another place I can actually pick one up, but I already have one. I did a video about this on my other page, which has been hacked. I'm in the process of getting that channel back that has all my videos, but this is just an update for you guys that you can get an Xbox Series S for $249.99. I got mine already. And I made a video about it, but I'm going to redo the video explaining to you guys, you know, what's going on. You can also still go to Target and get it for the same price, $249.99. As you can see, both places still have it for the exact same price. Before at Target, this was around the holidays. If you purchased the this is a holiday bundle. I did an unboxing for this already. But before, if you purchased the Xbox Series S at Target, it did come with I believe a $50 gift card. I don't know if they're still doing it. You might have to ask them, but as you can see, you can still pick it up for $249.99 before the price actually comes back. As you can see, here's the console right here. Ooh, look at this. Oh no, that's if you add extra stuff, that's how much it'll come out to. But you get the console and stuff like that. So yeah. So if you guys want to, you can pick it up, or you can pay the regular price and get your Series S with the bundle, or you can just get a regular one. It's up to you guys, however you want to get it. They still trying to sell the Series one, but yeah, you can still pick up a Series S for $249.99 at Best Buy and Target. So make sure you go and get it. So I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.